Good morning, kids. How are you all this morning? I hope you all are good and fine. Today, I am going to teach you a new letter. There are 26 letters in English alphabet. These letters have been arranged in a fixed proper order. This is called alphabets. There are two kinds of letters in English alphabet, that is capital letters and small letters. In the previous classes, we have already learnt about A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. And today we are going to learn a new letter I. And how to write the letter I, which makes the sound I, I, which makes the sound I, I. What letter is this, children? Yes, it is I. What letter is this? This is I, which makes the sound I, I. See here, children, there are two letters. This is capital letter I and this is small letter I. Repeat after me, children. This is capital letter I and this is small letter I, which makes the sound I, I. Okay, children. Now let us see some objects. That's the letter I, which makes the sound I, I. Okay, children. Now let us start. Yes. What are these? You can see butterfly, dragonfly, ladybug, honeybee, then ant. What are these, children? What we call this? Yes, we call it as insects. We call it as insects. See here, children. Insects live in forest, grass, etc. So, I as in insects. I as in insects. I as in insects. Now let us see our next picture. What is this? What is this, children? Do you like ice cream? Yes, it is ice cream. Children, ice cream is made from milk. Ice cream is made from milk. So, I as in ice cream. I as in ice cream. Now let us see our next picture. What picture is this, children? Yes. I for ink. I for ink. What is this? This is an ink pot. This is an ink pot. Children, ink is used for writing. So, I as in ink. I as in ink. Now, let us see our next picture. Hey, what is this, children? Have you seen this? You can see this in refrigerator. What is this? I for ice cube. I for ice cube. Children, ice cube is used to keep things cool. So, I as in ice cube. I as in ice cube. Now, let us see our next picture. What is this? I for igloo. I for igloo. Have you seen the igloo, children? Yes, this is igloo. Children, igloo is a house made of ice blocks. So, I as in igloo. I as in igloo. Hey, what is this, children? Yes, this is iguana. What is this? Iguana. I for iguana. I for iguana. See here children. See the iguana. It is green in color. So, I as in iguana. I as in iguana. Now, let us see our next picture. What is this children? Tell me what is this? Yes, it is I for iron. Do you have iron box at your home children? Yes. Children, iron is used for ironing clothes. So, I as in iron. I as in iron. Here we go next picture. What is this children? Hey, have you seen this children anywhere? Yes, this is I for island. I for island. See here children, this is island. See how beautiful it is? Do you like island children? Yes. So, I as in island. I as in island. Here we go our last picture. Hey, what is this children? I for India. I for India. I love my India children. Do you love your India? Yes. Okay children, this is India map. So, I as in India. I as in India. Okay children, now let us see the story. That's the letter I. Letter I. Incy and the insects. Incy is a little iguana. She lives in the jungle. One day, she meets some insects in a cave. They invite little Incy to their house. They sit and eat ice cream. The insects show her ink pots with blue and red color ink. Incy makes a picture with the inks. Let us recall children. I as in iguana. I as in insects. I as in ice cream. I as in ink pots. Okay children, now let us learn how to write the letter I. What letter is this children? Yes, it is capital letter I. What letter it is? It is capital letter I. To write the capital letter I, first we have to keep a pencil in the top red line and draw one standing line. Then go back to the top red line and draw one small sleeping line. Then come to second blue line and draw one small sleeping line to form capital letter I. Standing line, sleeping line and one more sleeping line to form capital letter I. Standing line, sleeping line and one more sleeping line to form capital letter I. Standing line, sleeping line and one more sleeping line to form capital letter I. Standing line, sleeping line and one more sleeping line to form capital letter I. Standing line, sleeping line and one more sleeping line to form capital letter I. Standing line, sleeping line and one more sleeping line to form capital letter I. Standing line, sleeping line and one more sleeping line to form capital letter I. Okay children, see this page. Now let us write small letter I. What letter is this, children? Yes, it is small letter I. To write small letter I, we have to keep a pencil in the first blue line and draw one standing line, touch the second blue line and keep one dot to form small letter I. Standing line and small dot to form small letter I. Standing line, small dot between top red line, first blue line. Standing line, small dot to form small letter I. Small standing line, then keep one dot between top red line and blue line to form small letter I. Small standing line, dot to form small letter I. Small standing line and one small dot to form small letter I. Draw one standing line and keep one dot between top red line, blue line to form small letter I. Okay, children, now it's time to do your book exercise. So children, take your happy writing practice book 1 and do the page number 45 and write capital letter I. Next, page number 46 and write small letter I. Thank you, children.